I will show you a new money making method where you earn $2 every 30 seconds by just watching videos. So first off, the website that we will be using for today is this one right here. They have paid over $2 million to over 1 million members all over the world. Now let's proceed to the sign up process. So just go ahead and click on this register button at the top right hand corner, and that will take you to this page right here where you can register as a member for absolutely free. Now you just have to fill in your full name, date of birth, your username, your password, your email address, and just confirm your email address and your password right here. After that, you can now enter your payment details where you want to receive your earnings. You have different payment options. After choosing your payment method, you can then continue with the image verification right here. So you just have to type in the letters and numbers which are shown here, and then finally you have to agree to the terms of service, and then just click on register. Now this site has excellent reviews, 4-star rating out of 5, and if we scroll down a little bit, you can see here really testimonials of users who are earning really cash. Now once you log into your account, this is how it will look like. You will see a photo with a lot of small boxes. So if you hover your mouse to the lower right side of this photo, which is the last box of this photo, you can see the position. So there are 28 boxes. That means that there are 560 boxes here in this photo, and one box is equivalent to one video. So all you have to do is just click on one of these boxes and then you will earn money. So what you are going to do is just choose one of these boxes right here, and that will take you to the random page. You just have to stay there for at least 30 seconds in order to get paid. For example, if I click on this box right here, that will take me to this page. I just have to wait for 30 seconds and that's it. You don't have to do anything at all. You just stay on that page and wait. You don't even have to click on anything, and you don't even have to sign up. The opportunity is boundless because as you can see, there are 560 boxes and you can choose earn in a box you like. You will just keep on earning money over and over again. What you are going to do is just click on any box you want and then stay on that page for about 30 seconds, and then you are going to earn money. Now you might be asking, where does the watching video part goes? Well, most of that time, if you click on one of these boxes, a video ad will show up. That's good news because video ads will make you earn double. So all you have to do is stay on that page until the video ends, and then you will earn double. The regular earnings, another thing is that sometimes on these pages there are banner ads that look like this. Now what you are going to do is click on these banner ads, because every time you click on these you will earn extra. So what I mean is keep on clicking ads whenever you find some, because that will make you more money. As simple as that. Let me click on this banner ad right here, and that will lead me to this page where I have to do nothing. As I said earlier, you don't have to do anything at all. Now if you are still watching this part of the video, please leave me a comment down below, and don't forget to make a quick like. I will be sharing a bonus tab that will help you earn more, and that is by referring other people. So all you have to do is just invite your friends or group of friends and your family here on this website. We can then receive extra money by doing so. As you can see here on the left hand side, there are direct referrals, rented referrals, and pay referrals. However, you just need to focus on direct referrals only. So people have been earning decent money from this website, and they did that by just referring and watching videos. How simple strategy is. It doesn't require a lot of time and no investment needed, but it can definitely make you decent amount of passive income. And if you want to know more details about survey, don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell notification so don't miss out any of my future videos. And don't forget to make a quick like, make a comment below. Stay safe, see you soon, and goodbye.